Go to this video. Now, last video talked about string and the string formatting. This video we're going to talk about a method for formatting. So it's going to be a brief video. So what does this mean? Example, we have name. Let me create a variable called name. For example, I'm going to name it Peter. For example, what I want to do is I want to turn this entire this into capital letters. How can I do that? I can say print, which is name dot. It's just simple, just put the upper. Make sure to close your brackets. That's it. What all of this do? Turn everything here to a capital letter. Let's run it. As you can see here, this can be useful in a situation where you want to use for string matching. Example, your web scraping. This is really important. And there's another one is as you can guess the name, the lower, which is to turn it to lower characters. So you can see the lower. What if it's a number that is here? Let's see what we'll get. You can see here we'll get an error. I think on our right mind, we know that there's no capital letter 1, small letter 1. I think we'll know that we'll get to know that in our alphabet, which are just words. So you can come and pull number there, and yes, you want to turn it to upper or lower. Let's say lower words. The other one I want us to look at is okay, let me look. It's called capitalize. Capitalize. What does capitalize do? Let's say this guy is small letter, for example. What it's going to do? The first word is going to be capitalized. Let's see example of it. You can see the first word, which is Peter. Okay, let's say Ita, for example. Let me use this as an example. Ita. So the first word is going to be capitalized. You can see that it is being capitalized. The other one is replace. Just to use replace. Replace takes two arguments. The first thing is what do you want to replace, and the second one is what do you want to replace it to. First one, let's say I want to replace this E. Okay, let me see, change this guy. Let me change this to let's say this guy is G, for example. I want to write Peter here. So P-E-T-R, but here is G. I want to replace this G to P. So I can say G. I want to replace G. What do I want to replace it to? Put your comma. What I want to replace it to is P. You get? So what happens when we run this? You can see when we run our name variable, we get Peter. Now we have replaced this G that is right here to P. So that's one we use it. There are quite advanced usage of the P replace. So but I think for this current level, and I think we're going to stop here for the replace. Another one we can make use of is okay, let me just delete this guy, then clean this guy. Another one we'll be looking at is the strip divider. The strip. What does strip do? Strip removes empty spaces and to return a copy of string with leading and trailing white space removed. Okay. I think VS Code help us to explain this a little bit. You can see return a copy of string with leading and trailing white space removed. What is that? A white space? White space is like this is a white space. There's nothing inside it, just empty. So that's in a situation when you encounter more of this when you're doing web scraping, and you also make use of strip. You see, if you get the advantage of strip, you help you to filter out those spaces. For example, let's say I put empty space here and then empty space here. Let's see what happens. Let me close this guy and print it out first. Set our name. Let me change back the name to Peter. You see what is going to happen. We're going to compare. Look at, see on our output here. This was the initial one. And look at where the second guy started. The current guy we did. See where it started. Meanwhile, look at initial one started at the beginning. So with this, we can see that in a situation where we want to do string matching, having things comparing two things like this is not going to match. Like using equals to, whether Peter is equals to Peter. Example, if you have to say this guy is equals to this guy, for example. This guy equals to this guy, which is a false. And meanwhile, they are the same thing. Because of this empty spaces here, it's not going to match. So that's where we make use of. That's where strips come in. Strips help us to remove these empty spaces. Let's see what tab. As you can see, the second guy, as we run it, you can see it started at the beginning. Not with some tabs after it. So there are a whole lot of other ones you can check out there. Three method for formatting. Just type it on Google and then check around the whole lot of them. So I think we have come to the end of the video. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also share with my friend who might be needing it too. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.